6 9 8 6 9
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place off the...
Hello there YouTube, today we have very exciting new product to show you, and this is a Nixie watch. So it uses Nixie tubes and it's handmade, and so we have to test this, what kind of a product this is. So let's do the unboxing. Neat packaging. Out comes the operation manual, Park Nixie wristwatch. Yes. So we open it up and right away you can see the manual here, how to use it, how to set it up, and everything is nicely written down for you. And you have also a table menu here that shows what the menu corresponding will be doing and what the options are. In the box we have also a, looks like an Apple wireless charger. Depends on the options you choose, because not every wristwatch from Sparks have this. The option that everything is included, so accelerometer, temperature meter and wireless charging, all is included. And then let's go to the crown jewel, which is the, whoa, this looks really nice. I mean, for people who like special things like myself, this looks really neat. I really like the way it looks, fancy. So let's take this off there. Really nice cushion. Let's check it out, what these buttons do. Okay, these are no buttons, these are not used. So it tells the time and then the date. But you can all change that. You can also display the temperature as well, or only time. So let's get through the menu so that we understand these menus more. First, to get to the menu, you press the upper button and then the lower button, as this. And then it starts blinking. When it starts blinking, it shows first the hour. Second one is minutes, then the day of the month, then the month. Then time format, 12 hours or 24 hours. Temperature unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Next is backlight color. You can choose the colors by holding it down. It shows one by one all the colors. I like no color on these LED lights underneath. Next one is switching off the tubes time. So if you increase this, it will take longer to switch the tubes off. I like it to on 4. So next one is data to display. So you can choose whichever set you like. So, and then the next option is the blue, which is the slot machine visual effect. You turn it on or off by holding it down. I like it on. Next one is first tubes lower than number 10 is going to turn on. You can turn it on or off. If you hold it, now it's off. This is on. So next one is configuration of the date format. If you would like to display first month, then day, and then the month, then you just change that value to 1. So that's how the menus work, and you can also set all of it by this remote controller, which is also delivered. To use this, you press the upper button and then you press OK, and here you can increase the values if you like. So it's 17 o'clock or 18 o'clock, and then OK. It just shows it as it is. But now the time isn't 18 o'clock, so let's change it to 17. And with these you just change the menus if you like, with the left and the right button. It's like this. So it's easier to do it with the remote controller. So now we're also going to try out this wireless charger. So this is plugged in. You just place your watch on top of it and the light starts turning red. It means it's charging. When the light turns green, it means it's fully charged. You can also use a Type-C connection or a micro USB, depending on which model you chose. So you plug it in here and it will start charging. I think wired charging is always faster, so if you want to charge it fast, it's just plug it in through the side connection here. Other than that, the glass here is sapphire option I chose. This is sapphire. You can also choose just regular glass, I think that was, but why not take the sapphire if you have the option? It's not much more of you don't have to pay much more for the sapphire option. So yeah, this is really good sapphire glass. So neat product, everything is on par. I really like it. It's just very unique and lots of time and effort has put into it. So yes, I would recommend for the ones who like fancy stuff like this, I would recommend to get one. The seller is really kind person, so does help you if there is any problem or whatsoever. You can be assured that you're buying something nice. And the battery is replaceable. I will show on the screen which battery you need in case you need to change your battery. In order to change the battery, you take this lid off on here. It just pops off. You have to use something, you put it here and you slide it off. Look, you can't slide it off with your fingers, it's kind of very hard, but if you put something metal or something on side of here and push it slowly on the sides, it will eventually come off, and then you change the battery if you need it in the future. That's about it for this product. If you guys have any questions regarding this Nixie watch, you can always come to my Discord or just write in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video, subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Bye!